Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Absolutely amazing liquidity that's being built here. There will be a big move. You have to pay close attention to this video. I will show you some 5-figure trade setups right here. Let's take a look. 9:35 a.m. as early before 10 a.m. In 5 minutes, we were able to identify the magenta algorithm right here. Absolutely beautiful trade, isn't it? This one, especially when we broke down in a very beautiful green selling precision algorithm right there, grabbing the early liquidity. And this was especially important because we identified the magenta algorithm early right there. Now, there is a certain technique in early candles trading. You have to learn this over time. Do not rush this, especially if you're a newer trader. Don't always be enticed by having it quick or making good money. You see me doing that. You see some members doing that, but they put in a lot of work. So always be jealous of other people's hard work, not just their success. You have to remember that in life. And when you're jealous of other people's hard work, you put in the same amount of work, you too will be equally successful. So always remember that, or remind others who are jealous of your success to also equally spend that amount of jealousy in your hard work as well. So this was an early trade, very beautiful 5-figure trade here. Many members got it as well. Absolutely beautiful here. Now thereafter, we started trending up in that 5-day moving average, as you see here. And at 1:30, this is what you see when we have to wait for the cup to close. Now this cup close was absolutely beautiful. Now you see the cup closing, wait for the handle, as simple as that. And you see the handle forming here. And on the breakout, I talked about the orange precision exactly on the breakout here. So this was a clear trade. You had a clear buying algorithm on the breakout to guide you, and you waited for the structure. You had the cup close. You had a beautiful imbalance in the inverse head right here. And this was absolutely 100% trade, especially so late in the day. And there it is. Beautiful. I talked about how there is a certain continuation here, and do not call for the reversal as yet, because you see how we are still technically in the buying continuation, even if it's in the magenta. And I will show you when the reversal will happen, but not yet. And you see how it has trended up after hours as well, all the way to that 6:30. So absolutely beautiful trade here. Plenty of 5-figure trade setups. You have to continue to learn how to be identifying the algorithms, trade as structure, demands. Remember, this is a lifetime skill. Learn the skill. Do this for the rest of your life. Don't always be just looking for your quick wins every single day. You want to be a winner every day, daily, for the rest of your life, as your identity in your life. So keep that, embody that, and don't be thinking just on trying to grab quick wins on any random day. Why do you want to be a random winner? You want to be a winner in life, in your identity, every single day for the rest of your life. So when you embody the right philosophy, the right mindset, you will learn the right skills. And when you learn the right skills, you will devote your energy into something that's meaningful, that's stackable. And from then on, you truly will live up to your identity as a winner. Your entire life changes. You center around the right values, the right principles, and the right philosophy, the right belief, and your life will become a victory, not just to yourself, most importantly, because remember, we are all not living for ourselves. Your life becomes a victory for those around you, for those that you will bless, and you can see how your life becomes more meaningful, all because you have embodied the right values. And that brings success, that brings victory, that brings blessings. So remember, as you partake into this, always remember why you're doing this, and stay focused on that. It's not about the quick wins. Don't do this.